Hi children, today we will learn 8th standard mathematics chapter 7 factorization topic division of a polynomial by a binomial. Children, at the end of the session you will be able to understand how to divide a polynomial by a binomial using long division method. To divide a polynomial by a binomial using long division method, we proceed as follows. First, arrange the divisor and the dividend in descending order. Then, divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. Then, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient obtained in step 2 and subtract the result from the dividend. Now, consider the remainder obtained in step 3 as new dividend and repeat step 2 to obtain next term of the quotient. Then, repeat the steps 2, 3 and 4 till we obtain a remainder which is either 0 or a polynomial of degree less than that of the divisor. Children, let's see important tip. After dividing a polynomial, if the remainder is 0, we say that the dividend is completely divisible by the divisor or the dividend is exactly divisible by the divisor or the dividend is simply divisible by the divisor. Children, let's see example problem. Divide 5x minus 6 plus x square by x minus 1 and verify that dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. First, we should arrange the dividend and the divisor in descending order. Descending order means we arrange the terms of a polynomial in decreasing order of degrees. Children, can you tell me which is dividend here? Yes, 5x minus 6 plus x square is a dividend. Let's arrange the dividend in descending order. We get x square plus 5x minus 6. Which is divisor? Yes, x minus 1 is a divisor. It is already in descending order. So, no need to arrange x minus 1 in descending order. Let's find the first term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So, x square by x, we get x. Then, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient x. So, x into x, x square plus x into minus 1 minus x. Then, subtract x square minus x from the dividend. So, plus x square change into minus x square, minus x change into plus x. So, plus x square and minus x square gets cancelled out. Plus 5x and plus x, we get plus 6x. Then, bring down the next term minus 6. Now, the new dividend is 6x minus 6. Let's find the second term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the second term of the quotient. So, 6x by x. We get 6. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 6. So 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Now subtract 6x minus 6 from the new dividend. So plus 6x change into minus 6x, minus 6 change into plus 6. So plus 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled out. Minus 6 and plus 6 gets cancelled out. Now the remainder is 0. The quotient is x plus 6 and the remainder is 0. Now we are going to verify our answer using division algorithm. We know that dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. First take left hand side. LHS equal dividend. Children, which is dividend? Yes, x square plus 5x minus 6 is a dividend. Next, take right hand side. RHS equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Children, can you tell me which is divisor here? Yes, absolutely right. X minus 1 is a divisor. Which is quotient? Yes, x plus 6 is a quotient. So x minus 1 into x plus 6 plus which is remainder? Yes, 0 is a remainder plus 0. Already we know how to multiply binomial by binomial. So x into x plus 6 minus 1 into x plus 6 plus 0. X into x, x square plus x into plus 6, we get plus 6x minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into plus 6 minus 6 plus 0. X square plus 6x minus x, we get plus 5x minus 6. Now left hand side equal right hand side. Hence verified. Let's see one more problem. Divide 27x cube minus 64 by 3x minus 4. First, we should arrange the dividend in descending order. Here, which is dividend? Yes, 27x cube minus 64 is a dividend. Let's arrange the dividend in descending order. 27x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. The dividend is 27x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. Children, can you tell me which is divisor? Yes, 3x minus 4 is a divisor. Let's find the first term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So 27x cube by 3x equal 9x square. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 9x square. So 9x square into 3x, we get 27x cube. Plus 9x square into minus 4, we get minus 36x square. Then subtract 27x cube minus 36x square from the dividend. So plus 27x cube change into minus 27x cube and minus 36x square change into plus 36x square. So, plus 27x cube and minus 27x cube gets cancelled out. Plus 0x square and plus 36x square, we get 36x square. Then, bring down the next term 0x. Now, the new dividend is 36x square plus 0x. Let's find the second term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the second term of the quotient. So, 36x square by 3x, we get 12x. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient plus 12x. So plus 12x and 3x, we get 36x square, and plus 12x into minus 4, we get minus 48x. Now subtract 36x square minus 48x from the new dividend 36x square plus 0x. So, plus 36x square change into minus 36x square and minus 48x change into plus 48x. Plus 36x square and minus 36x square gets cancelled out. Plus 0x and plus 48x. We get plus 48x. Then bring down the next term minus 64. Now plus 48x minus 64 is the new dividend. Let's find the third term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the third term of the quotient. So 48x by 3x, we get 16. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 16. So 16 into 3x plus 48x plus 16 into minus 4, we get minus 64. Now subtract plus 48x minus 64 from the new dividend plus 48x minus 64. So plus 48x change into minus 48x and minus 64 change into plus 64. Now plus 48x and minus 48x gets cancelled out. Minus 64 and plus 64 gets cancelled out. Now the remainder is 0. The quotient is 9x square plus 12x plus 16 and the remainder is 0. Now we are going to verify our answer using division algorithm. Already we know that dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. First take left hand side. So LHS equal dividend. Here the dividend is 27x cube minus 64. Let's take right hand side. RHS equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Children, can you tell me which is divisor here? Yes, 3x minus 4 is a divisor. Then, which is quotient? Yes, absolutely right. 9x square plus 12x plus 16 is a quotient. So, 3x minus 4 into 9x square plus 12x plus 16. Then, which is remainder? The remainder is 0. So, plus 0. Then, multiply 3x minus 4 and 9x square plus 12x plus 16. So, we get 3x into 9x square plus 12x plus 16 minus 4 into 9x square plus 12x plus 16 plus 0. 3x into 9x square, we get 27x cube plus 3x into 12x, we get 36x square plus 3x into 16, we get 48x. Minus 4 into 9x square, we get minus 36x square. Then minus 4 into plus 12x, we get minus 48x. Then minus 4 into plus 16, we get minus 64 plus 0. Here minus 36x square and plus 36x square gets cancelled out. Plus 48x and minus 48x gets cancelled out. So the answer is 27x cube minus 64. Now left hand side equal right hand side. Hence verified. Let's see exercise problem. Divide the following polynomials and check your answers using the algorithm. Divide and equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. 9x cube plus 15x square plus 5x plus 3 divided by 3x plus 1. Here the dividend is 9x cube plus 15x square plus 5x plus 3. The divisor is 3x plus 1. Here both the dividend and the divisor are already in descending order. Let's find the first term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So 9x cube by 3x. We get 3x square. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 3x square. So 3x square into 3x, we get 9x cube. Plus 3x square into 1, we get plus 3x square. Now subtract 9x cube plus 3x square from the dividend. So plus 9x cube change into minus 9x cube and plus 3x square change into minus 3x square. Now plus 9x cube and minus 9x cube gets cancelled out. Plus 15x square minus 3x square. We get 12x square. Then bring down the next term plus 5x. Now plus 12x square plus 5x is the new dividend. Let's find the second term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the second term of the quotient. So 12x square by 3x, we get plus 4x. Now multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 4x. So 4x into 3x, we get plus 12x square. And plus 4x into plus 1, we get plus 4x. Now subtract plus 12x square plus 4x from the new dividend plus 12x square plus 5x. Now plus 12x square change into minus 12x square and plus 4x change into minus 4x. Now plus 12x square and minus 12x square gets cancelled out. Plus 5x minus 4x. We get plus x. Now bring down the next term plus 3. Now the new dividend is plus x plus 3. Let's find the third term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the third term of the quotient. So x by 3x, we get 1 by 3. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 3x, we get x, plus 1 by 3 into 1, we get 1 by 3. Now subtract x plus 1 by 3 from the new dividend x plus 3. So plus x change into minus x and plus 1 by 3 change into minus 1 by 3. So plus x and minus x gets cancelled out. Plus 3 minus 1 by 3. We get 8 by 3. The quotient is 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 and the remainder is 8 by 3. Now we are going to verify our answer using division algorithm. We know that divide and equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. First take left hand side equal dividend. Children, can you tell me which is dividend? Yes, 9x cube plus 15x square plus 5x plus 3. Next take right hand side. RHS equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Children, which is divisor here? Yes, 3x plus 1. Children, can you tell me which is quotient here? Yes, 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3. So, 3x plus 1 into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 plus remainder 8 by 3. Now, multiply 3x plus 1 and 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3. We get 3x into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3. 3x into 3x square 9x cube plus 3x into plus 4x plus 12x square plus 3x into plus 1 by 3 plus x plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square plus 1 into plus 4x plus 4x plus 1 into plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3. 9x cube plus 12x square plus 3x square, we get plus 15x square plus x plus 4x, we get plus 5x plus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3, we get plus 3. So, LHS equal RHS. Hence, verified. Children, let's see one more problem. 9m cube plus 3m square minus 5m plus 7 divided by 3m minus 1. Here, the dividend is 9m cube plus 3m square minus 5m plus 7. The divisor is 3m minus 1. Let's find the first term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So, 9m cube by 3m, we get 3m square. Then, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 3m square. So, 3m square into 3m, we get 9m cube. Plus 3m square into minus 1, we get minus 3m square. Then subtract 9m cube minus 3m square from the dividend. So plus 9m cube change into minus 9m cube and minus 3m square change into plus 3m square. So plus 9m cube and minus 9m cube gets cancelled out. Plus 3m square plus 3m square. We get plus 6m square. Then bring down the next term minus 5m. Now plus 6m square minus 5m is the new dividend. Let's find the second term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the second term of the quotient. So 6m square by 3m, we get 2m. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient plus 2m. So plus 2m into 3m, we get plus 6m square. Then plus 2m into minus 1, we get minus 2m. Now subtract plus 6m square minus 2m from the new dividend plus 6m square minus 5m. So plus 6m square change into minus 6m square and minus 2m change into plus 2m. So plus 6m square and minus 6m square gets cancelled out. Minus 5m plus 2m. We get minus 3m. Then bring down the next term plus 7. Now the new dividend is minus 3m plus 7. Let's find the third term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the third term of the quotient. So minus 3m by 3m, we get minus 1. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient minus 1. So minus 1 into 3m minus 3m minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now subtract minus 3m plus 1 from the new dividend minus 3m plus 7. So minus 3m change into plus 3m and plus 1 change into minus 1. So minus 3m and plus 3m gets cancelled out. Plus 7 minus 1. The remainder is plus 6. Quotient is 3m square plus 2m minus 1 and the remainder is 6. Now we are going to verify our answer using division algorithm. We know that dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. First take left hand side. So LHS equal dividend. Here the dividend is 9m cube plus 3m square minus 5m plus 7. Let's take right hand side. RHS equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here the divisor is 3m minus 1 into the quotient is 3m square plus 2m minus 1 plus the remainder is 6. Now multiply the divisor and quotient. So 3m into 3m square plus 2m minus 1. Then minus 1 into 3m square plus 2m minus 1 plus 6. 3m into 3m square, we get 9m cube. Plus 3m into plus 2m, we get plus 6m square. Plus 3m into minus 1, we get minus 3m. Minus 1 into 3m square, we get minus 3m square. Minus 1 into plus 2m, we get minus 2m. Minus 1 into minus 1, we get plus 1 plus 6 equal 9m cube plus 6m square minus 3m square. We get plus 3m square. Minus 3m minus 2m. We get minus 5m. Plus 1 plus 6. We get plus 7. Now LHS equal RHS. Hence verified. Children, now we are going to divide 6x square plus 3x plus 10 by 2x plus 3. Children, can you tell me which is dividend here? Yes, 6x square plus 3x plus 10 is a dividend. Which is divisor? Yes, 2x plus 3 is a divisor. Let's find the first term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. So, 6x square by 2x, we get 3x. Then multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient 3x. So, we get 3x into 2x, 6x square. Plus 3x into plus 3, we get plus 9x. Now subtract 6x square plus 9x from 6x square plus 3x plus 10. So, plus 6x square change into minus 6x square and plus 9x change into minus 9x. Now, plus 6x square and minus 6x square gets cancelled out. Plus 3x minus 9x, we get minus 6x. Then, bring down the next term plus 10. Now, the new dividend is minus 6x plus 10. Let's find the second term of the quotient. Divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the second term of the quotient. So, minus 6x by 2x. We get minus 3. Now, multiply all the terms of the divisor by the quotient minus 3. So, minus 3 into 2x minus 6x. Then, minus 3 into plus 3, we get minus 9. Now, subtract minus 6x minus 9 from the new dividend minus 6x plus 10. So, minus 6x change into plus 6x and minus 9 change into plus 9. So, minus 6x and plus 6x gets cancelled out. Plus 10 plus 9. We get plus 19. Now, the quotient is 3x minus 3 and the remainder is 19. Children, it is your time to think and find the answers. First question, the degree of constant is dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D none of these. Which is correct? Yes. Option A 0 is the correct answer. Second question, the coefficient of x in 4x cube minus 7x plus 3 is dash. Option A 0, option B 3, option C minus 7, option D 4. Which is correct answer? Yes. Option C minus 7 is the correct answer. Third question, the value of x minus 1 into x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square is dash. Option A x plus 1, option B x minus 1, option C x square minus 1, option D x square plus 1. Which is correct answer? Yes. Option B x minus 1 is the correct answer. Fourth question. The value of 81xy divided by 3xy is dash. Option A 3xy, option B 27xy, option C 3, option D 27. Which is correct answer? Yes. Option D 27 is the correct answer. Thank you children.